Okay, reshaping arrays. You can use the reshape method to reshape arrays. Just easily, right? I didn't say by I showed you how to reshape, for example, a one-dimensional array to here we go. So say R. Let's do it over again. So R is equal to say rather import numpy as and so R array is equal to np dot random dot ranint, right? Let's create an integer array from 1 to 9. Let's make say 12, right? Borrowed, and systems, right? So okay, I can make it any like 12 borrowed. See, I can make a 4x3 or 2x6, whatever I want. Right? So 2x6. So I can do air dot reshape reshape, right? And let's see, I can give inside here ability shape with assumption and just 2x6. So 2 rows, 6 columns, right? 2 rows, right? 4 columns, right? Okay, and then likewise, I can reshape to any as long as they are compatible, as long as it's scalable. Yeah. All right, so you get that. Okay, so okay, there's we have a simple just a array, right? Your array chart, okay? Let's go dimension kati cha and input. What's the dimension of this array?
1.
It's a one-dimensional array. Right? Let's go shape check answer. What's the shape of this? Shape answer.
12, comma.
Very good, very good. Yeah, 12. That's true. Okay, excellent. Okay, so this means that it's just you know, it's just one-dimensional array with 12 elements. Like this. So now I want to convert this and use I want to make it a I want to make it a vector. I like a vector process. Yeah, I want to make a column vector out of this. Column vector. Column vector when it's given. One column, and this is vector method, of course, number of rows and one column, right? So it's a column vector. So like column vector one can you suggest column vector? Vector one is a two-dimensional answer. Vector
reshape comma 1.
So what do we say?
Comma 1.
Comma. Any
1.
So comma 1 material reshape rather we can repeat the person.
12.
Yes, that's right. You comma method got I think you error on here, right? See error on, right? So yeah, it's not problem. And can even borrow that's the thing. So borrowed rows, yoda column, right? Now that's see li vec 1. So about vec 1, right? Let's see how it looks like. Right? So vec 1 looks like this. And see what the elements are doing. So 541, 511, 541, 511, 60. See and it's the same. The keyword obviously is go you got the dimension mother. You say add see one dimensional theo or vec 1 could dimension with you.
2 dimension.
It's right. I think it's 2 dimension and then let's go shape given server. 1 dot shape
12, comma 1.
12, 1. Excellent. Hey, So understand? So now this is a vector. Now it's two-dimensional. It's a vector. A column vector would say. Right? So this thing we can make it a row vector. Row vector 1, 12 row vector one. Right? Let's see. Let's try something like that. So again, we have this there. Right? And let's see, vec1, or rather, just the same. Yes, ma'am. Here one second. We can do vec2. Vec2 is equal to array.reshape. I think we can give -1 as well. Right? Let's try this. Right? Let's try. So vec2. Yeah, it works. अब यो -1 गरेपछि के भयो भन्दाखेरि हामीले यहाँ कतिवटा चाहिँ गर्नै पर्दैन कि -1 गरिदिएपछि उसले जति छ सबै लिन्छ कि है सो -1 गर्ने भनेपछि उसले यो सबै यहाँ 1 डिमेन्सन बनाएपछि अनि यतातिर जति चाहिने हो त्यसले सो अथवा हामीले यस्तो पनि गर्न सक्छौँ है vec3 भनौँ vec3 matrix mat3 है त सो mat1 matrix1 गर्दाखेरि जस्तै मलाई यसलाई मेरो 12 वटा छ मेरो मलाई दुईवटा कलम चाहियो अब कतिवटा रो चाहियो आई डोन्ट ह्याभ मैले क्याल्कुलेट गर्न नपरोस् कि सिम्पली मैले -1 राखिदिन्छु है लेट्स नि त mat1 गरे भने सी मैले यहाँ गर्नु पर्यो त 2 भनेपछि यता मैले 2 ले डिभाइड गरेर 12 अब 6 राख्छु हामीले we don't need to calculate के यता एउटा आफूले चाहिने फिक्स गरिदियो अनि बाँकी चाहिँ अब मिलाऊ आफै मिलाऊ के है अनि त्यसले आफै 6 भन्यो भने उले आफै मिलाउँछ -1 दिँदाखेरि इट्स इजियर है त यो कुरा बुझिरहनु भएको छ Alright, so now we can do that. अर्को अझै एउटा तरिका छ भ्याक्टरहरु बनाउने है So again, we have this air. We like vector one or तरिका चाहिँ के छ भने air हैन अनि air नै गरेर अनि column है or you can say vec3 one है vector 3 is equal to column right अनि comma अनि np.new axis है अब यो गरे भने के हुन्छ भने column भनेपछि यसमा यो एरियामा जति छ सबै रो यो यतापट्टि त रो हैन comma भन्दा अगाडि त रोजहरु हो And the rows are take all the numbers that you have here and all the numbers and make them rows, right? Column will see, make all these numbers rows and then any order the axis top here. Maybe पहिला चाहिँ एउटा मात्रै axis थियो नि त एरियामा त एउटा मात्रै axis छ भनेपछि यसमा अर्को axis एउटा column axis थपियो हैन हामीले एउटा column row मा चाहिँ सबैले हो हैन अनि त्यसपछि over here we add a new axis right and np.new which is the column right you got it you can get the what column vector right this is wait npm wait so I really hate to make this and back 3 okay see Okay, so okay, so you could have happened. So okay, so you know how to do it, right? Okay. Or say like my voice like you want to do, for example, a horizontal vector, right? Column row vector, hey, row vector right? You want to put like add see notation row vector
comma colon
or yes that's right so with data and the bracket means it's two-dimensional back 4 whatever what's the shape of this wave back 4
okay. 1 right comma 1 comma
what's your columns is
12
with a yoda row like column 1 2 is a column yoda dimension row or dimension column row my one column that's it here's a column column 0, column 1, column 2, column 11. है त ठिक छ बुझिराख्नु भएको छ सबैले Alright. So okay, got that part. Okay, अर्को चाहिँ we have something called array concatenation and splitting. Okay, अब arraysहरूलाई हामीले तोड्ने फुटाउने जोड्ने जे पनि गर्न सकिन्छ है even high dimension arrays. Okay, so let's see. Array concatenation and splitting. Right? Let's have an array concatenation. Concatenation, we join basically. So we can combine multiple arrays into one or split a single array into multiple arrays. Right? Concatenation, joining of arrays. So I mean, we can either use np.concatenate or np.vstack or np.stack, right? Depending on our situation. So for example, we have these two arrays, right? Let's call them vstack. Okay, so it's this harmony. There x, this is my x, and this is my y. Right? X, these two arrays. Right? Now I want to concatenate these two. Right? All I need to do is np dot concatenate, mining, and this is x comma y. Okay? So yeah, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 your array theory, right? But it didn't change x and y. X and y is either. Right? So it gives us a new array. Right? And this is an array. You want to 6 data. Right? So this way, of course, you could do. The x plus y check on. So x plus y got it. Very cute. You do the Jordan element by size. Right? Let's try. X plus y got even the so 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 2, 9. You change the list or list list simply x plus y got even list concatenate. Always concatenation plus plus operators. There is the joining operation. Right? You see. Okay, so let's say one-dimensional thing, simple case. How about two-dimensional? Two-dimensional, there are a few more than one possibility. Two-dimensional matching, possibility for there's more than one possibility. So it's well, let's see. So here okay. We have air2d. This is air2d. I want to concatenate, right? Concatenate this with itself, right? Well, I feel concatenate. So what do I do is this: np dot concatenate, np dot concatenate, and this will see I'll do air2d and air2d, right? So I feel data concatenate. Of course, you can do more than two as well, right? So I'll just do. So it's the along the you say concatenate for that one, right? Along the rows, right? It's stacking for right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I need 8 1 2 3 4 5 6. यतातिर चाहियो भने चाहिँ यो त हैन यो त भएन हैन so यस्तो केसमा हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ we need to use something called access, right? And it's an access right? Concatenate together access. Okay, access is equal to let's see हामीले column गर्नु छ है it's like let's try this one see one right? So access one column it's column 0 column 0 you see concatenate 1 2 3 5 6 अनि यतातिर फेरि 1 2 3 5 6 right? So so यसरी access यसमा चाहिँ के भयो भन्दाखेरि by default access equal to 0 छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि हामीले यसरी आयो by default access equal to 0 भने along the rows है along the rows भयो यतातिर चाहिँ के भयो along the column यो कुरा बुझ्नु भएको छ तपाईहरु बुझिराख्नु भएको छ alright so यसै जस्तै अर्को I can even add one or any see यसमा तीनटा आयो किन यहाँ 1 2 3 छ नि त है 1 2 3 4 5 6 excuse me 1 2 3 4 5 6 and yeah 6 okay अब यसैलाई access equal to 0 अथवा keep access दिएन अथवा 0 राख्नु vertical stacking भयो अनि यसै चाहिँ horizontal stacking right all right so यहाँसम्म ठिक छ क्लियर छ तपाईहरुलाई is it clear
Yes.
Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so we just got that part. Obviously, you want the सजिलो तरिका यसरी access दिनु very simple case भने हामीले v stack or h stack. So let's try v stack, right? So v stack. v stack गरे भने चाहिँ v stack गरे भने चाहिँ सिधै लेखेर हुन्छ vertical stack. So say np.v stack right? And if you do v stack and then add 2d then add 2d or add 2d right v stack going to say vertical stack this is vertical stack vertical right we could have right h stack गरे भने के हुन्छ horizontal stacking भयो यो सजिलो भयो नि v stack h stack चाहिँ more intuitive vertical stack horizontal stack right so of course like I said you can add as many as you want all right so yo v stack h stack right any questions so far no questions all right so let's go on to the next one so splitting त्यसै गरी हामीले चाहिँ अब अहिले जोड्ने काम गर्यौं अनि त्यसलाई फोड्ने काम है एरेज लाइन जसरी पनि फोड्न सक्छौं है basically we can split these arrays right okay for splitting is the opposite of concatenation the following functions can be used for splitting the array right it's the np.split np.split and np.split okay so let's try this right say I have this array and let's try to split it right okay so I have this all right so listen all right so so I can make it an array that's very vibrant no I mean it still works let's make it an array xk array x is an array now right but it's like I want to split it stable let's just give it some random split and I'll show you the result and then we'll try to make sense of the result okay so I'm making also np.split np.split and हामीले केलाई स्प्लिट गर्नु x लाई अनि यसको कहाँ हुन्छ अनि हामी यहाँ break point दिनु छ let me put some break points here 2 here right? 5 2 र 5 है त so अब यो गर्यो भने के आउँछ है so 1 2 3 99 99 3 2 तीनटा एरे आयो है एउटा दुईटा तीनटा एरे आयो है so यो भनेपछि एउटा एरेलाई हामीले तीनटामा फोड्यौं है we टुक्रा पार्यौं तीनवटा तर how did it work I mean let's try to do some analysis so यसमा के भयो है let's crop it Okay, waste ma. Okay. यो रहेछ यसमा हामीले केमा गर्यो 2 र 5 है. So यसको let's put some indices here. Index राखौँ. Indices. Here's a 0 index भयो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so these are the indices. Indices. I'm splitting on 2 and 5. When you see your marker, the 2 or 5 marker. So 2 when you see 0, 1, 2. Right? Yeah, you have a right? Okay. So when you see let me show you that. So what it does is it is Suru the heat in first breakpoint. So first breakpoint 2 much. When you see the one the tick already stop passing. When you see you have the here. Okay, त्यहाँदेखि त्यहाँसम्म लियो एउटा अनि अर्को चाहिँ जुन यो चाहिँ यो ब्रेक पोइन्ट सुरु भयो नि ब्रेक पोइन्टबाट अनि सेकेन्ड अर्को ब्रेक पोइन्ट आउनुभन्दा ठिक अगाडिसम्म भनेपछि यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म लियो है अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ अनि सेकेन्ड जुन ब्रेक पोइन्ट छ 5 मा छ नि त अनि 5 देखि अनि बाँकी रह्यो isn't that what it did हेर्नुस् त मिल्यो नि हैन सो यसले के गर्यो है यो मिल्यो हेर्नुस् त 1 2 which is here हैन 3 99 99 यहाँ छ अनि 3 2 1 यहाँ छ this is है बुझ्नुभयो यो कुरा बुझिरहनु भएको छ र यसमा के क्वेशन्स छ तपाईहरुको Okay. All right then. Okay, let's try one more. Right? If I do this, try to figure out. Right? So if I do this, np dot split to about this 1 3 comma another 1 4 0 1 2 3 4 6 no actually yes comes so counts 1 4 6 yes sibling and then let's just figure out and then we will see the result. Okay, so what do you think? Yeah, I'll put these marks 0 1 index marks 3 4 5 6 7 first split my key comes
First ma
1 0 1 2
so 1 4 6 1 4 or 6 you see first my key I
1
first my 1 first ma say 1 I you whatever
2 3 99
2 3 and 99 अर्को चाहिँ के आउँछ
99 3 2
99 3 2 पनि आउँछ
आउँदैन
है अनि फाइनली
2,1
है भनेपछि चारवटा स्प्लिट हुने भयो हैन चारवटा टुक्रा हुने भयो है लेट्स ट्राई है So let's go back here. Okay, yes, that's right. Hey, 1, hey, 1 of course. Ani 2 3 99 2 3 99 ani 99 3 99 3 yes and then 2 1 2 1 excellent hey see hey, it's not that bad it's resolution okay very good hey, so you guys know now splitting at least for one dimensional okay? One dimensional because so but let's create another array give it 2 dimensional and yes 2 dimensional let's try this okay we have this grid which is 2 dimensional right this one let's do some splitting here right? It's not splitting with so np dot split and split And then we have say great, comma, and this spacing, yonder, split points. So let's see, say 2, right? Let's see. Others, 1 and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 symbols up. Okay, let's just try this, right? Where the area under what you so, arrays right? And if it's along what? Along kema that is vertically or horizontally.
Horizontal.
Split. Vertically, vertically. यसरी यतातिर गएर चाहिँ हैन यतातिर एउटा टुक्रा पार्यो अर्को टुक्रा पार्यो अनि अर्को टुक्रा horizontal vertical हैन. Okay, so now it's the same thing. Are you gonna ask the same? यसमा चाहिँ के भयो भने 10 minutes. Please come back in 10 minutes. Yes, okay, so it's not, of course, in keyboard. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Vertical, and it's a vertical match. So when you see a split, like 1 or 2 my split match means 1 you buy split point your the or 2 you see suruma, of course, you material right? But second thing, अर्को 2 भन्दा अगाडि भनेपछि यहाँ एउटा मात्रै आयो एउटा मात्रै आयो अनि बाकी चाहिँ अनि बाकी रह्यो है बाकी रहेपछि so this thing, so I want to split you त बुझ्नु भयो नि यो बुझ्नु भएको भएन so rather is like it's a ठुलो array बनाऊ probably it's easier. You recall. Now the grid, but if I do this, let's try that. So np dot split and grid comma. So I'm just going to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or so. And let's see 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, so I'll count. So let's try this. Let's take a snip. Okay. So do you want to try? Yeah, also I understand. With you marker 0, 1 index marker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. About so okay, 2, 4, 6 much. 2 much and 4 much and 6 much. 2, 4, 6. Okay. So what do you see? I'm split counts.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay. All right. So 0, 1, 2, 3. You're down, sir. Cool.
Then 4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7. Okay. All right.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Back it up. Okay.
Yeah.
12, 13, 14, and 15. right? So let's test it out. So yes, understand? 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, perfect. 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, very good. 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, and finally 12, 13, 14, 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's perfect, and it's perfect. Okay, so we are considering. Okay, so let's just quickly hit it. So it's the same thing, but again, right? So yeah, so breakpoint yaneर breakpoint छ, यहाँ अर्को breakpoint छ, अनि yaneर अर्को breakpoint छ भनेपछि जहिले पनि यसले स्टार्टबाट स्टार्ट गर्यो, है स्टार्टबाट स्टार्ट गरेर कहाँसम्म भन्दाखेरि यो फर्स्ट ब्रेकपोइन्ट भन्दा अगाडिसम्म मात्रै लिन्छ भनेपछि फर्स्ट ब्रेकपोइन्ट 2 मा छ भनेपछि यति लिने नै भयो, है? अब नेक्स्ट के लिन्छ भन्दाखेरि अब त्यो फर्स्ट ब्रेकपोइन्ट देखि सेकेन्ड ब्रेकपोइन्ट भन्दा अगाडिसम्म, सेकेन्ड ब्रेकपोइन्ट 4 मा छ भनेपछि फर्स्ट ब्रेकपोइन्ट देखि सेकेन्ड ब्रेकपोइन्ट भन्दा ठिक अगाडिसम्म, है? अब त्यसपछि सेकेन्ड ब्रेक पोइन्ट देखि थर्ड ब्रेक पोइन्ट को ठिक अगाडिसम्म, है? त्यस अनि बाँकी रक्दै आइहाल्यो, है? सो द्याट्स फाइन, है? है बुझ्नु भयो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, so let's do another thing, okay? So essentially I want to split along vertically, let's say vertically or horizontally, right? Horizontal split, right? So this like what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 2 minus 1, right? Hey, you got the column. So let's do width, right? So okay, I want to split along the horizontally. I guess vertically, but horizontally I want to split horizontally, right? Okay, so if I do this, np.split, and then I do grid, right? Grid, comma, and we seem likewise and breakpoint. This is I use the 2, 5, and 2, 5, 6. Okay, so 2, 5, 6. Okay, now what do you think? Let's try. Let's try this. Let's try this one. So this now I'll give you these markers. Let's maybe originally spell. Oh, wait. I have to give the axis as well. The other million. Okay, it's the axis. Okay, axis is equal to 1. Okay? Axis 1. See, is in that. So okay, let's first run it and then we'll try to make sense out of this later. So it's in the okay? Okay, and then so yeah, x is equal to 1 something. Okay? Yeah, see, x is equal to 1. Okay, okay, now okay, let me give you these. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, of course. Okay, so these are the indices. Breakpoints are case. Breakpoints are 2, 5, 6 much, 2 much, 5 much, 6 much. Now, can you try? Also. What's my also?
0, 1, 8, 9.
0, 1, 8, 9. So okay, very good. Let me use this. 0, 1, 8, 9. You're down. Yes. Okay. You're right. And this is
2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12.
10, 11. Very good. Very good. Right? You answer. Ani?
5, 13.
5, 13. Yes. Ani? Back right? So it's a young friend. Okay, so because as I principle is okay, then I'm describing you. See, breakpoint. Let's take a right. So let's see if it worked. Hey, 0189. 0189. Yes, perfect. अर्को चाहिँ के छ 2 3 4 8 10 11 12 2 3 4 10 11 12 excellent. Hey, 5 13. Yes, 5 13. Hey, and this is 6 7 14 15 6 7 14. Perfect. Perfect. Right? Okay. So now हामीले यता horizontal splitting पनि गर्यौं, vertical splitting पनि गर्यौं, right? Okay. By the way, you have less than 1 minute. I stop गर्छु है, and please come back, है त. Okay.